Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we are sitting on my floor. I am going to first put out a disclaimer. I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm always showing you guys myself bare face. I am just always tired now. And the last thing I want to do is put on makeup. So what we're going to do today is, well, what we're going to attempt to do today is build this metal rolling like utility cart. So this is what it is. I got it off of Amazon. I have no idea if it's even going to be achievable for me to build because these cats. I love cats, but cats are freaking, they just want to destroy everything. So as you can see, he just wanted to knock this over for no reason. Oh man. Okay, so we're going to attempt to build this. I'm really hoping it's easy. So the whole point, oh gosh, it looks like there's a lot of parts. The whole point of me buying this is because, oh my, I don't know. It seems pretty difficult, but the whole point of me buying this is I want this as a cart next to my bed for nursing, and basically just like a necessity cart for me to have next to me at all times whenever the baby's sleeping. Let's see, we don't need no man in our lives, even though I'm married and my husband helps me a lot. Let's just see. So here's one of like the baskets, which seems really nice. And I'll link this down in the bottom bar for you guys. I don't believe it was too much money. I think it was maybe around $50. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. So that's all out. It has like 3 tiers. So let's look at the handy dandy directions. Oh boy. Okay. I think what we need first is these. And we'll go from there. Who knows? This could be a disaster. This could be good. I guess we'll find out. Okay guys, I built it. It has nice wheels and then 3 nice storage compartments. And I really like the fact that it rolls because I can take this out with me if we are going to be hanging out in the living room a lot. And then we can kind of just roll this out and then I could put like diapers and stuff in there. Basically, I just want this to be like my little bedside table of all my necessities. So it was super easy to build. Did not take long at all. And the directions were super easy and it seems like really good quality. So I'm going to take you guys into the nursery, and then I'm going to start setting up kind of like my station. I don't have everything that I'm going to need, but we could do with what we have. So let's go ahead into the nursery. Okay guys, so we're back in the nursery, and I'm kind of going to just show you guys what I'm going to do to like set up this cart. I do not have everything that I need, but I have a few things just to like get it all set up. I'm only 34 weeks, so I don't want to like get like snacks or anything like that out. Probably closer to like whenever he's closer to being here, like 37, 38 weeks, I'll stack this with like some snacks, because they say that for when you're breastfeeding, you get really hungry. So I picked these little containers up, and I'm hoping perfect. Yeah, so they fit like right down in here, which is what I wanted that to happen. So I'm gonna do this. Oh, this is perfect. Look at that. They fit perfectly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put a pack of wipes. Let's just do that. And then I'm going to do a thing of diapers. Also going to take this little butt paste and put it in here. So this is what it's looking like so far. Diapers, wipes, butt paste. This section I'm going to do for breastfeeding. So this is easy night changes, and then this is breastfeeding. I picked up some of these little nursing pads. Perfect. It comes in a little bundle. I'm going to just put that right there. This is the breast pump that I got. I purchased this not too long ago. I got the LV pump. I read a bunch of good reviews about it. And this is not through my insurance. I actually purchased this myself. So I still want to get my one through my insurance if I can. Just so I can have that on hand if anything would ever go wrong with this or anything like that. So I'm not going to open this up yet because there's a bunch of little compartments and I don't want to lose anything. So I'm basically just going to throw this in here. If it'll fit, maybe. No, it won't. Let's see, maybe I'm trying. There we go. Perfect. I have it down here. I'm just going to throw that in there. And then everything can be right all in one place. There are a few things that I am not going to be able to put in here because I want to pack my hospital bag. So, which is this Haka pump. I don't know really if I'm going to need one in the hospital or not. I don't know. But I would rather have it than not. I haven't seen anybody pack one of these. So maybe I won't. Here, there you go. If you guys have any suggestions on if I should pack this pump for the hospital, let me know, because I have literally no clue at all. Also, what's going to go up in this little bin is these nipple shields. I am going to take these as well to the hospital, so I'm not going to pack this in there right away, but I'm just going to show you guys what I would have in here. So I would have in my Haka pump, and then I would have in these shields. I'm also going to have my nipple butter. This is just the Earth Mama organic nipple butter. I'm going to have that in there. I'm also going to put in these water wipes. I know that I'm putting in the baby wipes, but I kind of want to put these in just in case I need to wipe down myself or anything like that. I'd rather have something a little bit more just like water based rather than the baby wipe. If like say like I need to wipe like my nipple off or anything, I want to have just like a water based formula. So I'm going to put those in there as well. So let me show you guys what this is going to look like. We have the water wipes, nipple shield, Haka, some breast like milk pads, nipple butter. And then for the baby, we're going to have his diapers, butt paste, baby wipes. I'm probably also going to shove in here, probably down here, a second change of like clothes, another swaddle. I'm going to put in, let me do this right now actually. This is his swaddle bin. I'm going to put in one of his burp cloths. So this is just a plain charcoal gray one. So I'm going to put this also with the breastfeeding stuff, because once I burp him, I want to have a little burp cloth. I'm also going to put in a little extra swaddle. I'm going to put that right down in here for him. And then once I figure out like a routine of things as far as clothing and everything I'm going to need, like I'm going to put in extra onesie, extra sleeper. I'm going to put in here anything that I need as far as changing him. So I'm going to have just like an extra set on hand. And then my breast pump will be down here. Eventually, once I get this out and actually working, I'll move this up to probably the second one and then put his extra clothes down in here, just because that's going to be a little bit easier to reach. And this is if he has a blowout or anything, I'll be able just to reach for that. And everything's right there, right in front of me. It's nice because this does have wheels, so I will be able to roll this out into the living room with me if I feel like, I don't know, we're going to be out there for a long time and I don't want to walk back and forth. I'm also going to show you guys a little bundle thing. This I'm actually just going to put, I picked up from Target. I'm going to throw this in my diaper bag. This I picked up, it was actually on clearance, which is so nice. And this is the Freedom Mom Witch Hazel little foam. I picked this bin up, which I think is so cute. Let me show you. It's just super simple. And I picked this bin up because I want to make a little storage area for when I get home and in the bathroom. So I'm going to put this on like the back of the toilet. It's not going to be the most aesthetically pleasing looking thing, but it serves a purpose. So I picked up these Always Discreet Depends. I got the size large. I don't really know why. Maybe it'll be a good thing. I'm not sure. I'm normally like a small to medium, like in underwear and everything, but I figured if I'm going to have this on with like an ice pack maxi and the witch hazel pads and all that stuff and the tucks, I figured large would be a little bit more comfortable rather than being too like tucked in. If it is too big, I can always go and have Chad pick me up smaller size, but I picked up large for now. I also picked up these Always Maxi. This is for when I feel like I'm going to be going through like the end of like my bleeding and not whenever it's so heavy that I'm going to need the maxis. Or, I mean, the Depends. And then I also am going to put in like all of my necessities, which is going to be this Witch Hazel. And then I also got these Tux cooling pads. So that's going to go in here. I'm waiting for a few things to come in the mail. I got the Freedom Mom little panty liners. I got the Freedom Mom gel, like ice pack maxi pads. And then I'm also going to pick up some Dermaplast to put in here. So this will all just be ready to roll for me whenever baby comes and we get home. This will be my little postpartum section I'm going to put in the bathroom. And yeah, so I'm kind of just preparing myself now for labor. I don't want to wait too long and then be rushing and not have anything done. I'm literally only 34 weeks pregnant. When you guys are seeing this video, I'll be a little bit over 34 weeks. But who knows? You can literally go at any time, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. I still have to finalize packing my hospital bag. Probably going to do that literally coming up like within the next week or two. So maybe after this video, that might be my next video. I'm not 100% sure. Just because I want it to be done before the holidays because I will be 36 weeks at Christmas, and I feel like after that, time's gonna fly, and any day could be the day, and I don't want to be rushing. I also have to put the car seat base in my car with his car seat, just to like test it out, just to like learn how to do it. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna make videos all on everything like that as well. But yeah, I feel a little bit more prepared like now that I built this. And I already built, well, Chad built the bassinet. We have that next to our bed right now, which I love seeing it there. It just makes me like so happy. So I'm gonna have all that set up. Once we actually like set up that room for good, I will show you guys as well. I might have my cart a little bit more set up by then. And yeah, so I will keep you guys updated as far as what I'm doing to get ready for the baby. Once we hit like 35, 36 weeks, I feel like each week I'm going to have a new video of just like getting closer to baby, like a countdown. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, just let me know. I love filming videos like this for you guys. And I'm so excited. So I booked my growth scan today. I went to the doctor's, and my growth scan is December 21st. So that's the week of Christmas, and I'll be 36 weeks that week. So we get to see little baby boy and see how he's measuring and everything like that. So I will keep you guys updated with everything that's happening, and I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was kind of a little bit all over the place and you got to see my bare face once again, but leave some comments down below as far as what you guys packed in your hospital bag. If you guys think I need that HACA, stuff like that. I need to sanitize the baby's like pacifiers and bottles and everything. So there's going to be a lot more content coming out for you guys as far as me like organizing and getting stuff ready. So stay tuned for that. You can turn on your little bell notifications to get notified every time I upload so you guys don't miss anything. And you guys can be on the countdown with me because we're about 3 to 5 weeks away from meeting baby boy. That's insane. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.